My project for the Senior Fellowship builds on the initial project that I created during my fellow year in 2020-21. During that project, I interviewed faculty members who had been targets of harassment by the public, and based on those interviews, I developed a series of workshops that would support faculty and create better systems of support on campuses and universities. So for this project, it was actually a chance to put this into action. And as part of that, I've been visiting campuses and universities for one-off workshops or 1 or 2 day visits to talk with faculty, to talk with department chairs, to talk with leadership, to talk with the AAUP chapter, anyone who would like a workshop on the issue and how to be better prepared. Because this project is putting something into action, initially I had done interviews and then used the data from the interviews to produce this workshop series. For this part of the project, it's really hands-on, so I'm just going into the universities, I'm giving the talks, giving the workshops. We're doing some evaluation in terms of how they're received and how they could be improved. I would love to see this project actually create a wave of change around centering faculty members when targeted harassment happens. What I would love to see happen is for universities to be equipped to support faculty members who are targeted by the public, which this is happening, and to have different scaled support. So support at the department level, support at the college level, support at the university level, and those 3 different scales look very different. This moment is not going to go away, it's not going to get better, so we have to be prepared for it.